All right. Going to see if I can't get this Yale on camera. I did manage to get it once, and I'm starting to get the feel for these things a little bit better. There's the key. Pretty simple. Nothing too amazing. Take off the bottom part. And what do we have here? A bit of a tricky keyway there. Bit. And I'm really starting to like this pick. I need to get it thinner and thinner. This one is it's the hybrid, and it's in 20 thousandths, I believe. 20 thousandths. I really like this. I need to get a little bit thinner though. This one is 20. Yeah, I think this is 20 thousandths. It's either 20 or 23. But like, I really get good response from it. Good feedback. I like this too. I'm gonna make myself a nice leather pouch for all my picks. Yeah, dude. Hang on. Alright. It does have 5 pins. And one time I did it, I can't remember if I went from the front or from the back, so I'm going to go from the back first. Got some movement there. Okay. What the heck? Alright, my goodness. Let's go from the front now, see if we can... Yep. Let's see, you gotta get one... A lot of counter rotation on that. Let's go back. Oh, and there goes, now that's into that set again. Little click there, and there. Oh, and more movement. Getting on 5. Little click. And 4. Little click. And 2, 3. One, gotta get 1. Three, and movement again. Five, and there we go. Bingo. Nice. This is so much fun. Who'da thunk it? Anyway, there you go. Yale Y220/51 picked. I wish I could open these up. Maybe I'll cut this off of here. This should, yeah, this will slide off. I wonder. No, nothing inside there. No key or screwdriver, I should say. Will fit, nothing to fit into. I want to open it up. All right. Good. That's it. Have a good evening.